Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Let us see the second part of the same lesson, degree of comparison, on page number 20. Today we are going to see the second part of that is simile. Now, what do you mean by simile? Actually, a simile is a figure of speech which the poet make use of it. So in this similes there is a comparison of two things by using the word like or as. Okay, and the things have some common qualities. This comparison usually shown by the phrase construction as. Okay, now see the example. You are cute like a panda. Now see, you are cute like a panda, like word is used, and that is what simile, comparison is made. Now simile don't have any meaning. They don't have any meaning and they don't make sense without an adjective. Without an adjective, if adjective is not there, then the simile doesn't make any sense. Okay, now let us see the next part of it. Similes make the writing more interesting to read. Due to simile, the writing is made more interesting. Most writers use similes to make their stories, poem, etc. more fun for the reader to read. See, most of the writers, they use similes to make their stories and poems to make them interesting and to have lot of fun with that similes. Now let us see the examples for some of the similes. You have to keep one thing in the mind, that the first blank is filled with an adjective and the second blank is filled with the name of the thing that is used to compare. Okay, as I said, simile adds beauty to the writing. See the first example. You are as short as a dog. Second one, I am funny like a monkey. Alice is sweet like a honey. Fourth one, Ronit is fast as a cheetah in a race. Okay, let us see more examples. As busy as a bee. So this is the example of simile, and you can see that the first blank is filled with what? Adjective, and the second one is filled with the comparison. Okay, here the second example is as cute as a kitten. Let us see the next example. As blue as the sky. So blue is what? Adjective, and the comparison is made to sky. As yellow as the sun. Here yellow is the adjective and the second blank is used for comparison. As flat as a pancake. Okay, the next example, as solid as a rock. So solid, here solid is what? An adjective. So you have to keep in mind the first blank is always filled with an adjective. As green as a grass. So this is the last example. I hope you have understood about simile, and you have to keep in mind, just we will revise it. What is the meaning of simile? A simile is comparison between two unlike things having some common quality. This comparison is usually shown by two dissimilar things using the word like or as. I hope you have understood. So thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.